Okay, so now I've put this back in, and the hole is actually now being held in the 3-jaw chuck. And as I mentioned before, the shape of the cutter, you could come in and try to make some adjustments, but it can also, just while I've got it in this direction, go ahead and finish up the part right there. And at this point, all we need is, we're not going to be using the hole out here for support, so it doesn't need to use the center drill. We'll just drill our hole for the other end of our earbud. And it got caught there, but that's all right, because now we have our finished part. And get all these things off. We can put it back in. We can file a little bit on it. You could take it on a sander, sand it down a little bit. But here, you should be able to put the springy parts of your earbud there, and wrap your cord around, and you got something that'll hold that. So there it is. That's the first part.